Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, A Little Bit of Everything with Erin. In today's episode, we are going to be comparing the CRICUT Infusible coasters versus just regular plywood and see if their infusible ink will apply to that. So let's get started. So I've already gone ahead and cut out my CRICUT Infusible ink sheet. I did the exact same word and font on both so that we can see it on each item. If you haven't seen my video on how to cut the CRICUT Infusible inks, I will leave a link to that video in the description box below. These are like paper, so be pretty careful when you're weeding. And I just wanted to show a couple spots that my pick clipped on because, like I said, it is like just paper, so it's easy to mess these up. So we have both pieces weeded, and I'll just sit them on each piece of wood, and we will take them over to the heat press. So these are about the same thickness, so I'm just going to go ahead and place them both in the press together. I'm not going to worry about parchment paper or a Teflon sheet. We're going to push this down for 30 seconds. I took a quick peek and nothing really transferred, so I'm going to go ahead and do another 30 seconds. And just a word of warning, these were really hot that second 30 seconds. So this one right here is the CRICUT Infusible coaster. You can see the ink transferred on that really well. The color really pops on that. You get 4 of these for $12.99 at Michael's. You cannot use a discount code on those. And we'll get our other piece of wood, and it was pretty hot as well. So the ink did transfer, but you can see that it did not come out nearly as bright as the special CRICUT brand. Alright guys, I will throw up some photos here so you can see the differences close up. The ink really transferred very nicely on CRICUT's item. I probably would just use vinyl if I was going to put it on just the regular wood on this photo. Though it did transfer, it's just not nearly as bright, and for as expensive as the infusible ink sheets are, it just really wouldn't be worth it. And again, those little square coasters are $12.99 for a 4-pack at Michael's, and you cannot use your 40% off coupon. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my page. Please give this video a big thumbs up. That really helps me out. Share it if you want to. Love when you guys do that. And if you hit that bell, you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. Until next time, guys, happy crafting!